So besides spending like around $1,000 for a computer, but I go with a cheaper option like a Chromebook. And I never used a Chromebook before, so I just wanted to unbox it with you and take a first look at it with you. I'm gonna try to edit the video you're watching right now on this computer, do the thumbnail and everything with Photoshop. So I'm gonna try to install my video editing program and Photoshop on this computer. Yeah, not much at all. Oh, we got a USB Type-C charging cable. That's the one thing I don't like about Chromebooks. To me, they feel more like a tablet. I can't really say that because I never used one, but just seeing them, I think more of a tablet than a laptop. And this USB Type-C charger just makes me even more terrified because these are chargers for actual tablets and phones. But I'm just interested to see, is it going to be like the same outs we get on the phone side on Google Play, or is it going to be like the outs that's limited to only computers? Okay, for example, like Snapchat is just a mobile app, really. I guess the kids ain't using Snapchat no more, right? They're using Instagram. All right, I just want to see if I can add something. Okay. Is it going to bring up the camera though? Is it going to bring up the camera? I guess not. Yep, the camera is working. So it's not, that's not the issue. Okay, usually when you download programs from the official websites, it gives you an option to use PC or Mac. I'm not really used to seeing like, where's my, okay. I'm not really used to seeing an option for Chromebooks. I went to download my editing program that I edit all my videos with. When I try to open the program, I get this message right here. So it's basically saying that the file is designed for PCs, using Windows software. It's not compatible with this Chrome OS. So you can't get the full version of Photoshop. Pretty sure there's a way, but you gotta jump through a lot of freaking hoops if it's possible. But yeah, I can't get down with this, and I pay monthly for this thing, so I'm not gonna pay monthly just to use a watered down version of it. I was actually rooting for this computer. I thought it was gonna be like a good budget computer, like under $200, around $100. It's not like this is a bad computer, but I guess you get what you pay for, because in reality, it's more like a tablet. But if you're looking for something just to like browse the internet, check emails, maybe do like some light school work, this is good. You can watch YouTube videos, watch Netflix, stream, do all the basic stuff. But if you're trying to download programs like I try to do, like video editing software, Photoshop, stuff like that, trying to do like some heavy schoolwork where you need to actually download stuff to do your schoolwork,
this ain't it, Chief!
But if you're doing more than just basic checking emails, streaming, surfing the web, don't get this. Just put the extra $200 to $300 or $400, add it to the $100 or $200 that this will cost, and get you a regular Windows computer or Mac computer. But yeah, this is only for like kids or just basic stuff. But that's all I got for you. I'm hoping that I really wanted to put this out there because I feel like people are buying Chromebooks just because the price, but when they get it, they see, oh, well, this is just a tablet. I can't really do much on this. I can't do everything I wanted to do. And some people don't even know that it's not their fault that you can't do everything you can do on a Windows or a Mac on this computer. They think they're doing something wrong. So hopefully people like those guys find this video. All right, y'all. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate. And I'm out.